Hello everybody, thanks for watching this video. I promised my subscribers that I would bring to you the next adventure into cryptocurrency, and today I'm going to do it. So I about a month ago, maybe less than that, I started into a program called Profit Trailer. And Profit Trailer is a software that will run on your computer, and it will buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the open market, and hopefully make you some money. So I bought it the first of the year, and I'm kind of ready to show you what it does and how it works. Generally, it's very complicated. It's not easy to install. It's not easy to set up, and there's a lot of complicated pieces to it. But there's videos out there from several YouTubers that show you how to do it, and so that's what I've been doing. So if you will look here, this is the main screen, the dashboard for Profit Trailer. And so what it does is, like I said, it buys and sells different currencies. It looks for a way to get in, and then it buys it for you, and then it waits until it rises to a certain point, a certain profitability, and then it sells. So last week I made $5.51, which is not completely accurate right now because I've done some other things behind the scenes. But yesterday I made $4.61, which yesterday wasn't a very good day at all, but I still made $4.60. And today I've already made $2.43. So it does, it is working. Up here tells me what my current balance is, and I have $87 that is not in use to buy cryptocurrencies. So it's sitting there waiting to buy. Here's my current total value, so almost $400 in total value in my portfolio. And then this is my pending balance. This is what is in cryptocurrencies right now and waiting to see whether they increase. So if we go to my possible buy log, this is the program looking at a number of currencies and looking to see whether it's time to buy. So it looks and see if it goes down or if it's been going up, and it finds that perfect spot to where it hits a certain benchmark, and then it buys. Here is my log of current coins that I have purchased. So I have IOTA, I have BTG, LSK, and XMR. And then this tells me what the profit is right now. So on all four of these right now, they're at a loss. Oh, well, that one's now at a profit. So what I do is I set up in this program at what point do I want to sell. And right now, if I go into my configuration and I go into my pairs, I tell it that I want to buy. If it goes below 0.49, I want to buy it. And then if it goes above 0.89, I want to sell it. So on this one, if it gets above 0.89, then this Profit Trailer will look to sell. It will put a stop limit on this IOTA, for example, and then as soon as it hits 0.89, and then if it goes down, what's my next thing here? If it goes down 0.33% off of 0.89, it will sell. And so it will watch it and watch it. As soon as it hits 0.33%, then it will sell that coin and it will go away. And actually, I'll get the money for that. And so here is my sale log. So this is the money. This is where everything's been going. So for example, this one went up $1.64 before it dropped 0.33%, and then my Profit Sailor sold it, and I made 86 cents. Well, it doesn't sound like a whole lot, but what happens is over time it buys and sells these little by little, and that's what adds up. So here's what happened Looks like this happened today. This morning at 8:30 it did this, at 3:46 a.m. it did this, and at 2:36 it did this. So just today I've made $1.03, 56 cents, and 86 cents. So those three sells together add up to that 243. That's how that works. So here's my sell log, and look, most of them are positive. Every once in a while I panic and I try to get out of a coin that I don't think is going very well. For example, I got out of BTG a couple days ago and I lost $5. So you make little teeny pieces on the way up, and if you are panicky like me, then you sell for losses. So you don't want the reds at all. But if you look back over time, most of mine are in the green. So that's good. I'm making money every single day. So what I do is I create a spreadsheet to show me how much I am making every day, because this is kind of hard to keep track of, all that money kind of going in and out of the market. And so I created a spreadsheet that looks like this. So I start out on 111, and I have about $400 in my trading revenue bag. So I have about $400 that I can trade. So I'm hoping that that $400 goes up because I'm gaining money every day. So first day I made $6, second day I made $7, third day I made $3.93. This was my best day so far. On the 14th I made $10 in one day. So $8, 20 cents was a bad day. Here was the one where I was panic selling. I lost $5.53, which isn't too bad. Then gained 420, 5, 2. Here's another panic day that I had. And so yesterday and today, and so over this period of time from the 11th to the 24th, I've made $42.52. So I mean, it's not a lot of money, but it's a little bit, and every day is a little bit more. On the right side here of this spreadsheet shows me what my profit is. You see these dips right here are these little red ones right here. So I made up some money here, dipped again, and then I'm back up to here. So I'm at 42.50 right now, which is symbolized by here. And then this tells me right here daily what my profit is. And so I've had 2 days that were below zero, and most of the other days have been above zero. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing Profit Trailer, and it's making money every day. It's little pieces of money, but as the market turns around and starts going back up, I'm going to make more money as that comes in. So anyway, that's what it looks like. I'm probably going to do some more videos. Oh, here it is. It's at 0.86 now, 0.87. So as soon as it hits 0.89, as soon as it hits that number right there, it's going to look to sell my IOTA, and then I will make a profit on just buying and selling these little cryptocurrencies. So if you want to, please subscribe to my channel, and then you can see over time how my little profit trailer does. And then I'll also give you some links to if you want to buy profit trailer. Profit trailer costs about $400, plus you've got to have some money in the market. So really, I think I've got about $800 into profit trailer to buy the software, and then to have enough money to even trade, to make trades. So you've got to have close to $1,000 to get this one going. If you have less than that, you could, but you wouldn't be able to buy very many coins, and so it'd be a little bit tough. So I would say if you're going to get into this buying and selling in profit trailer, I would have at least $1,000 to get it going. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you like what you've seen and it's helping you, please subscribe to my channel, and use the links in my description if you want to buy it. Oh, look, it just went up to 0.94. So now my bot is looking to sell this to see if I will make a profit. I don't know if I should stay here. I guess maybe I'll stay here and watch. So the fun thing is that you can actually click on IOTA. It will go out to Binance, and it will show you where it's at. So look, it's just bumped up, if you can see there. Let's see if I can get it a little bit bigger. So this is what's happened to my little IOTA that I bought just this morning from my profit trailer bot, and it's at 23,496. So I go back over here, 23, yeah, so 23,496. It's gone up even a little bit more than what it's telling me here. So it will look to sell it. Let's see what it does. I'll just stay here and let you see what my little trailer bot does, because it's really cool. I mean, it's addicting. You can just sit here and watch it all day long. Oh, look at it. It's over 1% now. So I've made 1% on this buy. So let's see. It's got a dip, remember, 0.33%. If it dips 0.33% in value, then my profit trailer bot will automatically sell it. So I'm just going to wait and watch it here. It's now 0.9. So the reason I do 0.33% because sometimes the coin is going up in value and then drops a little bit and then goes up more and then drops a little bit and then goes up more. So you don't want to lose out on those little teeny dips because it might go higher. But as soon as it hits a certain point, then the bot thinks, oh, this is going to start to crash, so we might as well just sell and get out of it instead of holding on to it to see if it is going to go any higher. So still at 0.94. It looks like it's dipping a little bit in value, but not to 0.33% yet. So we'll just keep watching it here. So this number down here is what I bought it at, and this number is what the current value is. So you watch those two against each other and you can tell that that number above is bigger than this number below, so that is the percentage that it is bigger or smaller. And then you can see right up in here, this is the current trading value, 23480, 23480. So there's the number, it just pulled it. So I want this number to go up to about 235 or 236, or I'd love it to be 249. I'd make some good money on this one. So it is still just hovering around here. It hasn't gone past my marker to sell. So I'm hoping it bounces up again and then we will make a little bit more money. So this is what I do at home at night, is I'll just sit here and watch these stocks, and it's fun to watch them bounce around, and you're crossing your fingers that it's going to go up in value, and sometimes they bounce back down and you don't make very much, and sometimes it goes ballistic and you do pretty good. But the exciting part is that since it's already hit my 0.89, this one's going to sell and I'm going to make money on it. So I'm already happy about that. I'm already happy that I'm going to make money on this coin. So again, here I am just bouncing back between these. It's gone down just a hair. It's in the green again. The other thing you can do is you can watch this depth chart. I don't really know how to read this very well, but this should show you where the coins are at and where its buy and sell values are. So look at that, it's got a little green uptick again. Let's keep watching it, 0.94. So this is no, that's about right. 23480 is the so it's not, the 23480 is the Satoshi value of the coin. It's the value against Bitcoin. So it's not in dollars, so it's really hard to see it that way. You've got to see it in its Satoshi value. So I just follow those numbers, 23480. Now it's gone up to 23486. Let's see if it'll bounce up again or whether it'll bounce back down. The other thing you can watch down here at the bottom, I don't know if I can move that a little bit. You can see it had a huge buy volume right here, and then it's coming back down. So I would think that maybe it's going to start going into the red here, but we will see as it goes along. So I am watching at a 1 minute view to see how this coin is doing. So every 1 minute it's now going to create a new little block here and tell me whether it's going up and down. Well, we're at 0.94 now. I don't know how long this video will be. We'll see here. Sometimes this takes quite a while, but sometimes it just happens really quick and you're out of it, and it's a nice little profit that it's made. So this profit trailer sees, these little dips in the market. I think it probably saw it about here or maybe here where it went up and then dropped a little bit and said, hey, it's dropped below a certain value, I'm going to buy. So it bought it, and then it crept up, and then all of a sudden, boom, this morning jumped all the way up here. And I think all the altcoins are now jumping up in value. That's another thing that I actually watch. So if you go out here to the trading, you go out here to coin market cap, this will tell you, oh, look at that, all of the top 20 coins and how they're doing. These have been red for days and days, and now look at this, the top 20 coins are almost all green, which is good for me. That means that all my coins should be going up. There it went up again, 235. So now let's see how much I've made. It still hasn't recognized that it's gone up to 235. So all my coins should be going up. Let's look at my other ones that I'm holding. So I'm only 0.77 in the negative, 0.87. This one's way down, XMR. I'm going to have to hold on that one for a while until it comes back up. Oh, we're now at 0.1% up on IOTA. So it's gone up just a little bit more. Let's see, if you look over here on my, there's IOTA right there. It's number 11, so it's really not that bad. I hold on to coins that are usually in the top 20 because they're probably the most stable. You can turn this on so that it will buy any and all coins out there, but that really makes me nervous. I'd rather have maybe the top 20 coins and only trade those. So that's part of my profit trailer settings, is I tell it, hey, I only want to trade these certain coins. In fact, we can go look at that if you'd like. And I know you can't really talk, but so here is my pairs log. This is where I set up which coins I want to trade. So there's Dash, there's IOTA right there, there's XRP, there's Neo, Ethereum, Litecoin. So I tell Profit Trailer, I don't want to buy and sell everything. I only want to buy and sell a certain type of coin, or certain coins at all. So Bitcoin's doing well. Look, it's almost up to 11,000 now. I need Bitcoin to completely go ballistic here in the next few days. I'm hoping that it does. We're going to just sit here and keep watching it. I hope you guys are excited about this as I am. So we're now at 2350. Let's see if it's updated over here. There we are, 2350. My little bot has picked up the new price point. So oh, here it jumped down a little bit. Let's see if that's maybe hit my 0.33. I don't think so. It hasn't hit my threshold to sell yet. Oop, there it jumped down quite a bit more. Maybe that triggered it. I jumped down to 0.87. So what will happen is I'll see in my sales log if this coin sold, if it's triggered right here. Let's see, 0.81 to 1%, so it hasn't dropped down 30.33% yet, so I don't think it will sell yet. We'll just keep watching here. This is so exciting. Aren't you guys excited about this? Coolest thing ever. I tried day trading. I tried to trade this stuff, and I was just no good at it. I would panic sell all the time. Like, I'd sell right now. I've made 1% on my money. There it is, back up to 1%. I'm like, okay, that's good for me, and I'd sell it out. Where this does it does have no emotion in it. It just buys and sells as it sees it hits the numbers, and that's really the way it should be. And the professionals at buying and selling stock or coins, that's what they do. There's no emotion in it. They just, as soon as it hits a certain level, they buy, and as soon as it hits a certain level, it sells. So it's at 1%, so it'd have to go down to like 0.77% before my sell is triggered. So, and each time it goes up, that trigger value goes up. So my new trigger value is 1.03, down 33%, which would take it down to what, 0.70. So this would have to drop clear down to, I don't know the number that it would have to drop to, but anyway, it's still doing okay. It's hovering around this 23,515. Hope it pops up again. Let's hope that it does. There's a little bit in the red again. I wonder if I can zoom in. Oh, there it's dropping again. Dropping a little bit. There we go. Let's see if we can get a little bit more detail into there so you can see it. So little teeny buys, little teeny sells here. You can see these are big huge buys and big huge sells. Let's go back and look at my profit trailer. It's still hovering at 1% profit. Oh, there goes a big drop. There goes a big drop. So this should sell. Let's see if it does. It may have dropped too fast. See how it dropped down so much? It may have dropped down too fast and it may not have been able to get in the sell. I usually check here. So here, oh, that was from before. EOS, yeah. It didn't sell it. Yeah, it dropped too fast before it could put in the sell order, and so it is it missed it. So this black screen, like I said, this is complicated stuff. This black screen is the heartbeat of the profit trailer, and so it's the one that's watching these coins and where they end up. So, well, we missed that one. Sometimes it doesn't pick it up fast enough. The price, you see how fast this price dropped? It dropped so fast that it didn't get in the sell, and so my profit trailer is just going to hold on to it until it bounces back up. So anyway, that is how it works. Again, like I say, I would have panic sold before, and in this case I probably would have made money here because I panic sold it up here. But anyway, that's what profit trailer is about. Again, links in the description if you want to play along, if you want to try this out. It's a way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and have it do it automatically for you. Even when you're asleep, even when you're not doing anything, this is still running in the background of your computer. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and use the links in the description to buy any of the products that I'm talking about. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.